Ever wondered what a crypto DAO is? Let's unravel the mystery together. DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Breaking it down, we have three main components. Decentralized means it's not controlled by any one central entity or government. Autonomous signifies that it operates independently, with the rules of operation written into code. And organization implies that it's a collective of individuals or entities working towards a common goal. Now, what makes a DAO possible? The answer is blockchain technology. This is the same technology that underpins cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers so that any involved record cannot be altered retroactively. So, what do we have when we put all these pieces together? In essence, a DAO is an organization represented by rules encoded as a computer program that is transparent, controlled by the organization members and not influenced by a central government. But how exactly does a DAO operate? At its core, a DAO operates on the backbone of blockchain technology. Picture a virtual machine running on a network of computers worldwide. This machine is programmed with a set of rules, encoded into what we call smart contracts. These contracts are like the DNA of the DAO, dictating how it functions and reacts to different situations. The beauty of smart contracts is their immutability. Once they're deployed, they can't be changed unless specified by the contract itself. This ensures that the rules of the game can't be manipulated by any single party. Now, let's talk about tokens. Tokens are an integral part of any DAO. They represent membership in the organization and carry voting rights. Members or token holders can use their tokens to vote on decisions. This could be anything from governance issues to project funding to changes in the DAO's rules. The more tokens a member holds, the more voting power they have. It's a bit like owning shares in a company, but with a democratic twist. Everyone has a voice, and the collective decision of the token holders directs the course of the DAO. And that, in essence, is how a DAO works. It's a blend of technology and democracy, creating a new type of organization that operates without a central authority. It thrives on transparency, collective decision-making, and the unwavering rules of its smart contracts. So, a DAO operates on principles of transparency, democracy, and the power of collective decision-making. What makes DAOs so unique and advantageous? Well, let's dive into that. At the heart of a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, is transparency. Every transaction, every decision, every change is recorded on the blockchain, open for all to see. No more shady backroom deals or hidden agendas. Everything is out in the open, fostering a culture of trust and accountability. But the perks of a DAO don't stop at transparency. They're also immune to external influence. Traditional organizations might bend under political pressure or change course due to the whims of a powerful CEO. Not so with a DAO. Decisions are made collectively by the members through a democratic voting process. It's a pure expression of the principle, power to the people. And let's not forget, a DAO operates globally without jurisdictional restrictions. It transcends borders and regulations, enabling worldwide collaboration and participation. Imagine the possibilities. A world where organizations run smoothly without the need for a central authority. A world where everyone has a say, where transparency is the norm, and where the only boundary is the reach of the internet. The DAO model holds the potential to redefine the way we understand and engage with organizations. However, like all innovations, DAOs come with their own set of challenges and risks. Firstly, we have regulatory issues. As DAOs operate in the crypto space, they naturally fall under the scrutiny of regulatory bodies. The lack of clear regulatory frameworks surrounding DAOs can lead to uncertainty and potential legal complications as we navigate the waters of this new form of organization. Next, let's talk about the potential for exploitation. DAOs are based on smart contracts, which are only as secure as the code they're written in. If poorly coded, they can be exploited, leading to loss of funds. Remember the DAO hack of 2016? A loophole in the code led to the theft of millions of dollars in Ether. Then there's the lack of legal precedent. DAOs exist in a legal gray area. Without established laws or precedents to govern disputes or issues that may arise, DAO participants could find themselves in a tricky situation. However, it's important to highlight that these challenges are not unique to DAOs, but are part and parcel of any new technology or concept. While DAOs offer exciting possibilities, they require careful navigation and understanding. As we continue to explore this new frontier, the future of DAOs holds much anticipation and intrigue.